Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to import your contacts from different platforms to your Klaviyo account via a CSV file. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Klaviyo account as an administrator. So here's what the dashboard looks like, here's where I'm at, and from here, once you guys are on the home page, you'd want to click on the audience tab, like so, and if you click on it, there should be a drop down. And from here, you have three options being growth tools, lists and segments, and profiles. So the one that you want to opt for here is profiles. And when you guys click on this, you'll be taken to this page right here where you would want to click on view suppressed profiles. So when you click on view suppressed profiles, it'll take you to this new page where you can actually import a CSV file. So it's this button right here. And I should mention that the steps shown here should also apply for other categories, not just suppression. So if you want to add a new list of a set of contacts, you could do so, clicking on create new segment, or create new list. And here you actually have the option to import a new list in the form of CSV. So if we do like clients, for example, and add clients, these are their no tags, we can create a list. And here you want to click on upload contacts, and here's where you actually get to upload a CSV file. And yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.